Are you interested in making money online through blogging? In this video, we'll show you how to start a blog and monetize it. First, choose a niche or topic that you are passionate about and that has the potential to attract a large audience. This could be anything from cooking to travel to personal finance. Once you have a niche, create high-quality content that offers value to your readers and helps to establish you as an authority in your field. This could include how-to guides, opinion pieces, and reviews of products or services related to your niche. To build your audience, use social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to promote your content and engage with your audience. Join online communities related to your niche and participate in discussions to attract new readers. When it comes to monetizing your blog, one option is to display ads on your site using platforms like Google AdSense. Another option is to work with brands as an affiliate or influencer, promoting their products or services to your audience for a commission. You can also create your own products, such as ebooks or courses, that you can sell to your readers. This can be a great way to earn passive income and establish yourself as an expert in your niche. In this video, we've shared tips on how to choose a niche, create engaging content, build your audience, and generate income from your blog. So, if you're ready to start your own blog and make money online, don't hesitate to get started.